my footage time has become extremely long. I'll have to edit this and I'll just be lazy and I'll just post it after 3 months or whatever. But yeah, I don't want to do that. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Finally, it had been a hot minute since I did like a makeup tutorial and makeup look. But yeah, I'm here today with the clean girl makeup look. I don't know if you relate or if you find this appropriate to be titled or labeled the clean girl makeup look, but this is just like my interpretation of the clean girl makeup look. It's just enhancing your best features and all of that, and yeah, I explain more in the tutorial, so I don't know like why I make the intro so long. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. In the clean girl makeup look, I think this has become a trend. I didn't even know what that was, but like it's basically the no makeup look, but like enhancing your features and all of that, whichever you want to, or let's say you want to amp up your eyes, you go for that, lips, skin, whatever, whichever is your preference. So skincare here plays a really important role. For example, if you want your skin to look dewy, you would go for like hydrating and sort of a nice layer underneath your base. So yeah, skincare is very important in this particular, like in general as well, of course, but in this particular routine, skincare is, it can like make or break your look. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the toner, which is like the volume lifting toner iron layer. It smells really nice. Like all these products smell really nice. Oh my god, I really like how the emulsion is gliding on my face. I really want to retain this glow. So what I'm going to do is, after this, ideally, I would suggest you to go with the strobe cream. So yeah, I want to try out another product, which is the Lakme Lumi Cream. It's a moisturizer with highlighter. So yeah, let's just see if it's like good enough. So I've taken like this much because I really want to focus it just on the high points of my face. Okay, let's see. So if you are someone from the oily skin type, I would not recommend to like go over and building like dewy products, because it will like end up looking oily on your face like even after makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline's pore minimizing primer, this one, and yeah, just gonna focus it on the centers of my face, because like right now my entire face is looking like a bulb. It's looking like shiny and glowy. Like if I wasn't doing makeup, I would just go out with this. I would really love this with just like a little bit of tint or something. But yeah, so I'm just gonna focus the primer right here. So yeah, you want to minimize the shine over here that is like on your T-zone. Let's move on to the makeup now. I'm just gonna use my Vaseline. I would just take my foundation or concealer of my same shade and like cover up, like do spot concealing and like cover up wherever I have spots and stuff, and not go like all overboard. So I'm just gonna go and focus the product on the places just where I want. And yeah, I just prefer to do it with the foundation than concealer, simply because I feel like it's lighter than the lighter as in terms of the blendability. I feel the foundation is like better. It's more skin like than concealer. I would also go for a concealer if it was LA Girl Pro Conceal, but yeah, I'm just gonna like use, okay, so the foundation that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm just gonna like focus on wherever I need coverage. I'm not gonna go extra handed because we want to retain the glow, and we also want to just spot conceal, so I'm not taking away, I'm just gonna need coverage wherever I have those problematic areas and not entirely. Now what I'm gonna do is just gonna take a damp beauty sponge like so, and just gonna focus the concealer. I'm saying concealer. Just gonna focus the foundation and the whatever concealer, if you're applying a concealer, wherever I have placed it. I'm not blending it out entirely. I'm just focusing it. So like that's it. And then later on, I'll just go with the butt of the sponge and like blend everything. So that's why I'm saying that you need to pick up a shade which is like very close to your actual skin tone, because otherwise it may look unnatural because you won't be going with the entire concealer or foundation on the entire face. It's a cyclical nature of the looks to like come back and become trending again, just based on what they're called. So like no makeup look, and then everyday makeup look, and then like the clean girl makeup look. It's all like about preference firstly, and about how you want to like call it. So yeah, that's it for my base. The next thing that I'm gonna do is just brighten under my eyes because I haven't used any concealer there. So what I'm gonna do is go for a lighter shade of concealer, which is like a brightening shade. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer for this, and just gonna go like very slightly under my eyes. I hate to like do anything under my eyes because it has been creasing a lot, what I've noticed is. So that's the only place I'm applying, and a little on the for the lifting technique, which I've been learning from Instagram. Yeah, I've also like literally stopped doing like makeup content on Instagram. So I'm gonna go with a cheek tint, but I'm not gonna use the Face Shop one. I'm gonna go with a lip palette because I love to use lipsticks as cheek tints, and because it's just convenient. So I'm just gonna go for the Nykaa lip palette. I have really been loving these two shades, these two. I just mix both of them and use it as my cheek tint because it's super creamy and so blendable. Like I don't even have to like do a lot of effort. So I'm just gonna take this with my fingers, both the shades like this, and start applying it on the using the blush lifting technique as well. But I like to bring down my blush up till the apples of my cheeks, like that. I'm just gonna powder my under eyes because then otherwise it will look like oily and like grease. So I'm just gonna take my Fit Me loose powder. I hate to use a compact powder. I really want to try the K by Katrina powders. Can you see? So what I was saying is, now can you see the difference? Here we still have that glow retained, but like here it's kind of gone because we did powder it. So that's what I was saying. As you layer products, what you expect ultimately will be like glowing and useful and blah blah blah. It like literally tones down. That's where I start with my brows. The arch is like the main definition for me, so that's why I like make it a little like angled from there. Finally, yeah, that's what my brows look like. They look super extra right now. I'd say that I won't overline them, but like I do ultimately, and I hate myself for that. But I'm just gonna like try and tone it down. So I'm just gonna go for like a thick angled brush because we don't want so much precision, and I'm just gonna go for this contour shade and merge it with a blush, and use the same brush and this particular blush color, which is like a lighter shade, to like blend out with my blush and contour. I purchased a new product, which is the I Love Revolution, which is like a different brand than Makeup Revolution. I don't know like how it like came into existence, but it's here in the UK. So this is a fixing spray, and I'm just gonna use it to like blend whatever powders we have used till now, so that it becomes a little better. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is go for a strobe cream, which is the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. and I'm gonna pick up very little product, and I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. So I'm just gonna take a very little amount. This has like a pink reflex to it, so like this much, but I'm gonna take more than that. And just like, also gonna use their mascara today. I haven't like tried it yet, so I'm just gonna go and coat my lashes with mascara. I need to open this. Wait, it has a very like interesting wand, and the mascara seems almost watery to me. Like it seems like it's coated with water. Like as long as it works and lengthens, I don't mind. The product is quite thin, that is why it is able to separate, and like it's not clumping, which is good. So yeah, that is what the payoff is as of now. And I don't think that it's going more than that. I've tried putting like 2 layers, and that's it. So let's just go on the other eye. So now that is, since that is done, I'm gonna go with an eyeliner, just like a little like lift. I'm gonna do something with that, and just gonna layer it on top of that. Like this is still like, at this point this is like a combination of the lip palette shades that I used and Gulabi, but like Gulabi on its own, like it's just such a pretty mauve. Like I was not using like literally anything else other than like this. Like I love this. All right, now last thing. Yeah. And I'm gonna blend it with like a smudger or something, and just like a fall liner situation, or whatever it's called, like a reverse liner. This is my version of a clean girl makeup look. So yeah, thank you for watching. And with this we do come to the end of the tutorial finally. I just hope you enjoyed watching this look, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.